Pre-construction inspection. As you can tell, there's a pretty sizable sinkhole right here. It's about a 8-foot diameter. Surprisingly enough, today's Miss Utility revealed that the branch off, which is the final lateral that belongs to the county, starts at precisely just before a 45-degree bend, which is just before where the break is. The break is right there, and this line indicates that this pipe will make a turn here and then head over to the public main, which is underneath the line of the rocks. There's a public main right there. As you can see, the branch off is right there. So it looks like our break is right at the 45. So with that being said, for the team, the excavation will be here. This will be the center of your dig. You'll be digging from there to here. You'll probably have to expose the 45. There's a pretty decent chance you're gonna have to go up to the tap, okay? Because we're gonna have to find a way to regrade. I'm estimating that one of the rocks crushed and separated the pipe and might have caused this pipe to drop a little, and then have another section of the pipe sitting too high. So you're gonna have to most likely dig them more than just this. Okay, so there's that. And now the hole is open. Jordan, what'd you find?
Down right as it goes into a vertical, there was a 90 that was shattered into 4 pieces, and so all the wastewater was collecting right here, probably causing this big sinkhole here.
So that 90 was that 90, and that was shattered.
And there was not a lot of gravel in the hole at this end. At this end, it felt very supported, but at that end, it did not feel like it was supported all that well.
Why does it matter if there's no gravel right there?
I'm sorry?
Why does it matter if there's no gravel right there?
Because the weight of the dirt's going to sink down and eventually crush the pipe.
Okay, so we have to have a lot of gravel. There should be always a lot of gravel right at the top of that 90.
Yep. And
then gravel covering it completely. So that way when dirt comes on top of it, it doesn't push this section of the pipe downward, which creates a crack in the pipe. And last but not least, we have the final backfill. We brought in 2 tons of clean dirt to fill in the sinkhole. Now mind you, this is cleaner dirt, doesn't have any rocks, so furthermore, even after compaction, it is expected to sink. We will go ahead and put seed and straw to go ahead and help with compaction, or actually, erosion. But please anticipate that with heavy rain and water, this area will sink a little bit more, so as it self-compacts, more dirt will have to be brought in to finally give it a final grade. This right here is initial grade. Inspection passed, we're all good to go. That's what we got.